Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple face mask, and it was made with Ankara fabric and it's also reversible. So guys, if you want to learn how to make this, you can literally make this in less than 10 minutes. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. For this tutorial, all you need is 2 pieces of clothing. You can as well put like an interfacing inside, but you're going to need like 2 pieces of clothing for this. So and 2 pieces of rubber bands. So this clothing was cut at 9 inches wide and 6 inches long. 9 inches wide and 6 inches long. So you're going to place it right side facing right side. Okay, then you're going to put the advice for you to use like 2 different colors of fabric is so that when people wear it or when you wear it, you know the side you have worn before, so that you don't get to wear like both sides almost at the same time, and you know where to touch and where the air is coming into your nose from. And if you need to wash it, you know that okay, maybe you washed it and the next part you're going to wear is this other side. So it's always good to use like 2 different fabrics for this. For this next step of the tutorial, you're going to be needing pins. So you're going to put the elastic inside like so, just at the edge. You're going to pin it. Do the same thing for this one. It's going to go inside. And pin it. I'm going to do the same thing for this side. Put the elastic inside. Pin it. So yes, we are ready to sew. The next thing we're going to do now is to go over to the sewing machine. So go over to the sewing machine and sew this. Right. Then while you're sewing, you're going to leave like a little space. You're going to leave like a little space here, or maybe like half an inch or 1 inch, so that you can turn it inside out. I'm going to give like a reverse stitch, and I'm going to continue sewing now. So when I get to this elastic, I'm going to sew it back and forth. So that it can be firm. Okay. So I'm just going to switch it over to this side. Remember the small space we are leaving here just to turn it inside out. So I'm just going to do a little reverse stitch. And I go to the middle quarter it a little press so that it is flat and it is smooth. So next thing I want to do is to pleat it. I already pleated this one, but I'm going to show you how to do the other ones. I'm just going to take a pin and secure it. Just very tiny pleat. Okay, it doesn't have to be so big, just a tiny pleat. Okay, ensure you pin both sides. Going to sew through this edges round, and we're going to also close up this opening that we used to turn the fabric inside out. Okay, advisable if you want to make this, use like a very thin plastic band. It's easier so that you can actually fit in through the space and it doesn't hurt your ears. So just for the purpose of this tutorial, and I wasn't able to go out to get like a thin elastic band, so I had to make do whatever I had in my sewing kits. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can actually make this using needle and thread. It's a very quick and easy way to do a face mask. So you'll be sure on the side you're wearing inside and the one that is actually out. So that is why it's kind of great and important for you to use two different fabrics to do this face mask. This is not like the original medical face mask, but this can help prevent whatever it is that comes out of your mouth. It doesn't protect anything that goes into your system, but it can help you prevent what comes out of your mouth. So maybe when you sneeze or when you cough and the rest of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, do give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead, guys. Bye.